Hi everybody, happy Monday. I just wanted to send a quick update about my office hours. As a reminder, they're every Tuesday from 1 until 4 p.m. Now tomorrow around 3 p.m., 3:15 at the absolute latest, I will be in the virtual classroom. I thought tomorrow would be a great day to be in the virtual classroom for you guys because as a reminder, your third assignment for the week is due tomorrow night at midnight. So here on my screen you can see the instructions. Remember, what you're going to be doing here is discussing a little bit more about the ownership type and your merchandise selection. So many posts were made this week about the type of retailer that you wanted to develop as well as the merchandise that you wanted to select. So now is the time that you actually get to do that in this third assignment. So really is actually super pertinent to a lot of you because most of you want to become entrepreneurs. So you can see here that you want to select the ownership type. There's some directions listed and criteria that you need to adhere to, as well as that merchandise type that I mentioned before. Remember, you want to combine task 1 and 2 in the assignment into a Word doc and then submit it into the discussion thread for the third assignment. Please make sure to hit between 500 to 600 words. What that means is that you've adequately described and gone over the criteria that the assignment requires. One other major note I want to mention is I'm noticing no one is using MLA in-text citations or a works cited page. You'll notice down here at the bottom that is required. You want to use MLA guidelines for writing style, spelling, grammar, and citations of sources. So we should see probably some citations of sources here. Anyone has any questions, meet me tomorrow in the virtual classroom. I'm available via phone or Skype during my office hours as well. You can always call me or message me and we can set up a time that's outside those hours if you need to meet as well. All right, looking forward to reading them. Have a good one, everybody. Happy Monday! Bye.